I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'll be showing you how to clean or replace the air filter on the Honda CRF230F. Air filter maintenance is key to keeping your bike in great shape. Now when it comes to air filter maintenance, Honda recommends for this machine that we are servicing or replacing the air filter at every 600 miles. Now obviously if you're riding in really dusty or wet conditions, you're going to want to be checking the air filter more often. So today we'll be showing you how to clean or replace the air filter on a 2015 Honda CRF230F. To do this job, we're just going to need a few basic hand tools. You will want to have some contact cleaner, rags, and safety glasses. Now you'll need some filter cleaner and some foam air filter oil if you plan on cleaning and reusing your filter. Now for today, we're going to be cleaning the air filter in the bike, but keep in mind that we also carry many options for replacement filters on our website, so make sure that you check those out. To begin, start by removing the right side cover. Remove the 5 screws on the air cleaner housing cover and remove the cover. Release the element retainer rod and remove the air cleaner assembly. When doing so, remove the air filter with care as to avoid dropping any dirt or contaminants into the intake tract. Remove the air filter element from the air filter holder. Next, we're going to clean the air filter with some air filter cleaning solvent. Now when you're cleaning your air filter, it's a good idea to go through and check to see if there are any rips or tears in the air filter. If you have any of those present, you're definitely going to want to replace it. Then we can clean the air filter with a hot water and soap bath. Next, we can apply our foam air filter oil. We like to completely submerge the air filter into the oil so that we don't miss any spots. If you have a replacement filter, make sure to oil it prior to installation. If you need help with this, check out our How to Clean and Oil a Foam Air Filter video. Next, we can put our cleaned and oiled air filter back into its holder by lining up the pins on the holder with the holes in the air filter. Next, we'll go ahead and clean the air box with some contact cleaner and a rag. Take care to not get any dirt inside of the intake tract. Install the air cleaner assembly by aligning the pins with the hole in the housing. Make sure that the sealing surfaces are completely sealed and that there are no gaps. Align the retainer rod with the holder groove and secure it with the retainer hook. Then reinstall the air cleaner housing cover and install the 5 fasteners. Then reinstall the right side cover. And that's it. That's all there is to it when it comes to cleaning the air filter on the Honda CRF230F. And don't forget that we have everything that you need to keep your air filter in good shape right here at RockyMountainATVMC.com, so make sure that you check that out. And if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to hit the like button, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product spotlights, how-tos, and top 5s. I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching, and keep the wrenches turning.